Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Then, as I said, let's open about device, and now let's tap on this toggle Realme UI official version. Let's tap. As you can see, your device is checking for the updates, and basically we can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. You can of course tap on this link and learn about the version you've got currently applied. And the second scenario is where your device will actually show you the information about the new update. So it will show you the info about what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download and update the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.